I mean, truthfully, if you really wanna get fancy, we can just pin my side bang up here. Right? So what y'all think? Short way? Yeah? Yeah? Or a long way? I don't know. I like them both. Hey guys, this is Lena's Lovely Locs. I'm Lena. If this is not your first time, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. So this video, guys, we're going to do 2 updates in one. I'm going to do my 8th month and 9th month update because last month I was lazy and didn't get to the video. So I'm going to combine 2 videos in one. So before you guys go, I already know what y'all here for. So I'm going to give you guys a 360 of my 8th month update right here. Alright guys, welcome back, and here is a 360 of my 9-month update. All right, did you guys see any changes? Any changes at all? Okay, so today I'm going to go for my retie. My hair is freshly washed. I'm going to give you guys a couple of things that's been going on these last couple of months with my locks. I'm going to go get a style today, so when I come back from this video, you'll see me in a new style. I'm pretty excited about that. Also, guys, I lost a lock. So if you guys can see this little baby girl right here, if you can see her right here, I lost that lock right on the side of my head. I was feeling around in my hair. Now, I'm not going to blame my hands and hair syndrome, which, by the way, I still have hands and hair syndrome going on 9 months, and I'm still in my hair, playing in my hair, messing my hair up. I can't help it. Sorry, guys, I'm talking too fast because it's just a problem. I'm sorry. But yeah, so this was like really hanging on by a thread anyway, and it was the baby girl up in here. So let me see if I can show you guys where she is. All right, here she is right here. Let me get up in here. Let me see if I can put the light. All right. So there she is right there. I just happened to see her hanging on by that little strand right there, and I just pulled her on out. And I wasn't too much upset about it like I thought I would be if I ever came across losing a lot. I mean, yeah, I am upset about it. If it had to go, it had to go. So I have 535 or so locks in my head, and I really can't tell a difference. You can't tell a difference. I am still going through some slippage, you guys, up in here around the front perimeter. So when I get the retie done today, Marie's gonna fix that. And another reason why I haven't really been updating you guys, because nothing has been really going on except for that lost lock. Again, like I said, I've been having the hands and hair syndrome. I have not really been going through any itching, which is a good thing. I'm still having the white bulbs. I know if I get up in here, you guys will see those white bulbs, but my hair is pretty clean today. I mean, it has to be clean because I'm getting it retied. I'm still going through the frizziness, a lot of frizziness up in here, especially toward my my scalp area. I can show you a couple of locks that I can just see just the frizz. I can just see it like trying to form that lock. And actually a couple of my locks are locking. And as I'm doing the video right now, I know I won't be able to find it, but when I'm laying around watching TV, I can automatically, my hand goes to that lock that's locking. And I can tell because I can't see that pattern anymore. I wish I could show you guys. I may just insert a little picture. So I know that a lot of the people that, well, some of the people that I follow, they want the curly ends. I don't mind not having my curly ends. I just don't want the fat ends. So that's one thing that I'm going to try to prevent, and that's by, you know, braiding and banding. Hey guys, I am back. I just got my retie done and my first style. So what do you think? Let me go ahead and turn around for you guys. That is my style for my 9-month update. I hope that you guys like it. I like it. I don't think I look too old. I don't think I look too young. I think I look just right, like Goldilocks, right? But here it is. It took her about 3.5 hours to do this retie and the style. I'm going to try to keep this style in my hair for a good 3 weeks. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining my channel. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for joining us at Lena's Lovely Locks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to her channel, lovelies.